A8010 and A8810 series sugarcane harvesters. Cleaning and replacement of the engine pre-filter and air filter element. Correct maintenance of the engine pre-filter and air filter elements is essential to the performance of the cane harvester. When and how to proceed? Engine air pre-filter. Checking and cleaning. Every 10 hours of operation or daily, check the condition of the engine air pre-filter and the level of dust accumulated in the engine air pre-filter. When the dust volume reaches the level indicated on the container, proceed as follows. Remove the wing nut. Remove the cap. Remove the container. Empty the container in an appropriate place. Reinstall the container after cleaning. Make sure that the assembly is properly secured and sealed in order to prevent the entry of water. Engine air filter. The cane harvester is equipped with an engine air filter restriction indicator, which always requires visual inspection before operation. If the error code for air filter restriction appears on the AFS panel, immediately stop the harvester. Service the components. Attention! After you have cleaned or replaced the components, the error code message on the AFS panel should disappear. Press the dust restriction indicator button to return the red plunger to its original position. When to service the engine air filter elements? If the error code message displays on the panel, immediately stop the harvester. Clean the primary element, check the condition, and, if necessary, replace the elements. The primary element can be cleaned up to 6 times. After that, both elements must be replaced. The secondary element cannot be cleaned. Clean the primary element every 250 hours. Replace the primary and secondary elements every 1,000 hours or yearly, whichever occurs first. How to proceed? Removal. 1. Stop the machine on a flat level surface. 2. Apply the latches and safety devices. 3. Before you work at height, check the condition of the guards, ladders, and platforms and make sure they are secure. 4. Shut down the engine and let the engine cool before you service the machine. Turn off the machine's master switch. Read and understand all the safety rules in the operator's manual before you proceed. Use PPE. Release the latches. Remove the cover. Loosen the wing nut that holds the primary element. Remove the primary element. Properly dispose of the primary element in accordance with environmental rules and laws. Remove the wing nut. Remove the secondary element. Properly dispose of the secondary element in accordance with environmental rules and laws. Clean the inside surface of the filter housing with a clean cloth. Do not use water or solvents for cleaning. Cleaning. Clean the primary element on a workbench. Use compressed air with a pressure that does not exceed 2 bar or 29 psi. Attention! Drain the water from the air compressor before you use compressed air to clean the element. Insert the nozzle of the air hose inside the primary element. Keep the nozzle about 150 millimeters away. And blow the dust from the inside to the outside. Use the correct air pressure. Do not wet the primary element. Never strike the primary element against hard surfaces. This could damage the element and allow dust to enter the engine. After cleaning with compressed air, insert a light into the primary element to check whether the primary element is damaged. If the elements are faulty or damaged, dispose of in accordance with environmental laws and install new primary and secondary elements. Installation. Install a new secondary element. Attention! Be careful not to damage the seal rings. Ensure that the seal rings are fitted correctly on the elements. This will prevent the entry of dust and impurities. Reinstall and tighten the wing nut. Install a new primary element. Fit the wing nut onto the tie rod. Tighten the wing nut to hold the primary element. Fit the cover onto the housing. Apply the latches to secure the cover. Apply one latch at a time sequentially in any direction. After you have completed the installation, ensure that the restriction indicator button is locked with the red plunger in the service range. If it is, press it to the original position. The error code message should disappear from the AFS panel. Use only original Case IH parts and filters. This video does not replace the information contained in the operator's manual. If you have any questions, contact your Case IH dealer.